Hey there, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to add music to your Instagram post. To get started, you need to open the Instagram application. At first, make sure to sign in on your Instagram and update it so that you can enjoy the latest features on Instagram. So to add a post, you need to tap on the plus icon which is at the bottom of the screen. So when you reach on this section, you can easily add any photo or video you want to add as a post on Instagram. If you want to add one picture or video only, then you can simply choose. If you want to add multiple, then you can select the multiple option here like this and choose the multiple pictures or photos you want on Instagram. For now, I just want to add a picture on Instagram as a post, so that's why I am not tapping on multiple photos. Once you are done, tap on the upper right next button. On this page, you can customize the picture. You can add filters you would like to on this picture and customize it on your own style. You can also directly add music by tapping on the music icon which is on the top of the screen on this way, and several musics will be suggested for you on this page. You can choose anyone you would like to. Simply for now, I am tapping the music of my own kind. Once you are done selecting the music, you can just tap on the tick mark which is at the bottom right corner. After you have chosen the music, you can tap on the upper right corner next button. So on this page, you can add a caption, add location, tag people, select the audience, and also select the advanced settings for this post. After you are done customizing this post, you can tap on the share button which is at the upper right corner. So wait until your post has been finishing up so that it can be shown on your profile. So wait until it has been finishing up, then you can easily add music on your post in this way. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.